Welcome everyone to my another video on the chapter Organizing, where we will discuss about centralization and decentralization. Watch the video till the end. If are a new viewers, then first subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and enjoy my classes. Centralization and decentralization, we have already studied under principles of management forwarded by Henry Fayol. 14 principles Henry Fayol has forwarded, and one of the principle is what? Centralization and decentralization. Now the question is, what is centralization and decentralization? Centralization and decentralization are the two process of decision making, or we can say two elements of decision making. Means the managers can take decision either in a centralized form or in a decentralized form. Okay, so we need to understand what is the meaning of centralization decision making and what is the meaning of decentralization in decision making. Okay, so I have created this video to distinguish between the process of centralization from decentralization. Okay, now the question is, what is centralization? From the term centralization means power at the top. Okay, decision making power at the top level management. As decentralization means what? That decision making power is distributed among all level. All level means middle and lower level. Okay, now in the first distinction we will go to the meaning is what of centralization. When power is concentrated in the hands of top level management. Yes, what is the meaning of centralization? When power is concentrated in the hands of top level management, it is centralization. And what is decentralization? When power is evenly or systematically is distributed among other level, that is middle and low. That is the meaning of what? Decentralization. In meaning, there is a distinguish between centralization and decentralization. The next basis is delegation of power. Okay, delegation of power. Okay, under centralization there is no delegation of power, as power is hand of top level management. As top level management hold all the power, they do not delegate among others. But under decentralization, what happened? This power is systematically delegated at all level of management. All level of manager means middle level also get some power, lower level will also get some power. That delegation is exists under decentralization. Yes, means what? Under centralization there is no delegation, and under decentralization there is systematic delegation of power among other levels of management. Okay, now the third basis is suitability. Centralization is suitable for what type of organization? Decentralization is suitable for what type of organization? Yes, from suitability, there is a distinguish between centralization and decentralization. Centralization is suitable for, or centralizing decision making is suitable for small organization. Okay, small organization, micro level organization. Yes, centralization is possible, but and the decentralization is suitable for large organization. Large organization, what they have to do? They must have to adopt the decentralized process to complete the task. Without decentralization, they could not able to do the thing in a proper manner or in a systematic manner. Yes, means centralization is suitable for small organization and decentralization is suitable for large organization. Yes, now the next basis is what? Freedom. Yes, freedom of what? Freedom of authority or freedom of power. Under centralization, there is no freedom for middle and lower level, because at every step, what they have to do, they have to take permission from the top level management. Yes, they cannot take any decision without asking the top level. Yes, there is no freedom for decision making at middle and lower level. Yes, under centralization. But under decentralization, there is freedom of decision making. The middle level manager, they while running their plant or while running their division, okay, production department, selling department, what they do? They can take decision of their own. So there is freedom of decision making at all level under decentralization. Understand? Okay, this is all about the difference between centralization and decentralization. And for exam, it is a very important question. So don't skip this topic. Distinguish between centralization and decentralization.